Before we talk about comparing national development, let us see how people compare things. Let us take the simple example of comparing different means of transport to find the best way to travel from Delhi to Mumbai. As you can see, different people have different opinions when it comes to comparing things. How do we arrive at a consensus? Let us try and revise our question. Let us see what people think when we ask them about the most economical way to travel from Delhi to Mumbai. Given the criteria of economy, people seem to agree that a train is the most economical way to travel from Delhi to Mumbai. Let us change this criterion and see what happens. Let us see what people think when we ask them about the fastest way to travel to reach Mumbai from Delhi. Given the criterion of speed, people agree that a flight is the quickest way to travel from Delhi to Mumbai. Thus, we see that it is easier to compare things when we compare them using a particular criterion or characteristic. People also have different opinions when comparing national development in different countries. For example, a person in the USA may think that his country is more developed based on the criteria of wealth and industrialization. However, a person from India may think her country is more developed based on the criteria of ancient traditions and cultural heritage. No criterion is more important than another. However, we need a globally accepted criterion to compare development in different countries. And that criterion is money or national income. More income allows people to buy more of the things they require for their development. Therefore, countries with more income are considered more developed than other countries that have less income. The income of a country is the sum of the incomes of its entire population. Different countries of the world have different populations. Thus, a country A with a large population and low incomes may have a greater total income than a country B with a small population and higher incomes. Though, in reality, the people in country B may be more prosperous than the people in country A. Thus, total income is not a reliable criterion to compare national development. A more reliable criterion for comparing national development is the average income given by the total income of a country divided by its population. The average income of a country is also known as its per capita income. The World Bank published a World Development Report in 2004 that classified countries with a per capita income of more than 4,53,000 rupees as rich countries or developed countries, and countries with a per capita income of 37,000 rupees or less as low-income countries. India, with a per capita income of 28,000 rupees per annum, was in the category of low-income countries. Consider a country A with a population of 5 people who have similar incomes. The average per capita income for country A is 8,420. Now consider a country B with a population of 5 people, where one person has a much higher income than the other 4. The average per capita income for country B is also 8,420. Note that the large income disparity in country B is not reflected in its per capita or average income, which is the same as country A. In other words, country A has less inequality in the distribution of income than that of B, whereas country B has no equitable distribution of income and has rich and poor people. Hence, it can be said that per capita income as a criterion of development is not without limitations.